you have to visit celebratious.com, and once it's open, in the bottom you will find join as event organizer. So you just have to click on that. And once it's open, you can just sign up with your details. Here I'm just trying to create a dummy account just for the demonstration purpose, just to explain you. And once you hit the sign up, you will see this notification that your account needs to be verified. So one of our team members would definitely give you a call and verify your account. And when it's done, you can log into your dashboard. And then once you're there, you can just update your details like your address. Usually the Google should pick up the address by itself, your current location. Or if you want to type, you can just type manually as well. This would be the description. So that would be mentioned under your home page, so users can see it. So that's why I'm just typing birthday experts. And now I'm just trying to change the logo. I'm just picking up random logo right now. Whatever I get hands on, I will just use that. Now we just change the banner image as well. Now we need to remove this no serving restrictions. We need to keep it like how much area can you cover while for organizing the events. So as per radius, we are just going with 4 kilometers. If you can provide services for 6 kilometers, you can just choose that. But make sure that area is serviceable. In the languages, you can change the language on your dashboard, though we recommend to just stick with the English one. And on the preferences, you can always come around and check here. These all are already done, so you don't have to really do anything. And if you have any doubt, you can just give us a call. The number is already mentioned there at the bottom of the website, so you can just call us anytime. Here's the whole thing. You can just go through it. It's all already done, so you don't really have to worry about anything. We have already done everything for you. Now, once you click on the catalog, you will see the menu. Menu is already done for you as well. So we are just trying to move the custom pack up. So it's easy that once the customer logs in or visits the website, the custom package would by default it will open. And now see, we can change the prices. Everything will already be there for you. We have already created a pre-menu, so you can change or remove. You can change the pricing, can remove or change the pictures, though I will show you how exactly everything can be done. Here we just change the pricing, and you can even change the add-ons. We will show you in a minute. Like that's cake. Okay, now just we are keeping the price 0 there for a reason, and we kept the price 0 because all the individual add-ons on the cake already have the pricing. Now let's visit the website and let's see how your wet starters look like. See, there is no options. It just says wet starters. Customer can just choose it. They don't know what's in the food. So now we are trying to create the add-on. So you can just type whatever you want. I'm just going with the wet starters. This would be showing up there. Now just type whatever dish you are providing them. we will go with a multi-select. So it's like giving them 5, 6, 7 choices. So the customer can actually just choose 3. If you set the restrictions to 3, they will only be able to choose only 3 dishes. Okay. So as we're done, we are keeping the pricing 0 here because there's a fixed price already, as you can see, 1000 rupees. So 1000 rupees, customer can choose 3 dishes, and these dishes are sufficient for 4 people. That's what we are going with. So in those 1000 rupees, they can choose any 3 of their choice from there. Now let's see if this is already, let's refresh the page and let's see. The changes should already be there. So that's the starter, 1000 rupees standard price. Once you click it, see there's no pricing there because we kept them 0, and now the customer can choose 3. If they chose 4, they will have a warning, like an error message that they have to stick with 3. Now let's see non-veg starters. What we can do here, we can change the image here. I'll just show you. So you just have to click on the browse and save. Now when we refresh it, you will still see that the image is still not reflecting there, and that's the reason. That image is lined up as a second image. So if you want to keep that as a cover image, the first image, you have to delete the first image. So once you do it, it will automatically be saved as a cover image and the first image. And if you add any more images of the non-veg starters, they will just follow up. Okay, so that's the menu right there. Okay, you can always change the pricing. We have just kept the dummy prices. If your venue hall is valued at 20,000 a day, you can go ahead with that, but just be mindful that we are targeting the middle class families. So though I will just keep it 10,000 because of course I don't want to go on loss, as I run event organizer, event management company as well. So I don't want to go on loss. So I'm just sticking with 10,000. So let's see if the changes have already reflected after refreshing the page. As you can see, the pricing's changed already. Okay. Now here in the analytics, once you click, you will see everything here, all the revenue graphs and everything, month, sale by day and everything. On the guest, you will see the guest details who are using your account. On the commissions, you will see how much commission are you paying to Celebratious, that is 10%. Okay. Now you can change the cancellation policy. If you want to change your policy or you want to make some changes to it, you can always go ahead and change it. Add banners. This will change the image there at the background. You can add multiple images there. So you just have to turn it on and you can just name it 1 or just to save time. Okay. Now let's choose the banner image. I just go with the random images as whatever I can find. Okay, so this second option is for the mobile. So if somebody is seeing that on the mobile, they will see those different images, whatever you put there. Okay, now let's see. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, there is no other image because the second image has been replaced. So what we can do is we have to add one more image. And in between, I would just like to mention that it's absolutely free. There's no monthly charges, no subscription, no annual charges for you. For the event organizers, it's always free. There's only commission that we charge, that's 10% commission. That is only on the successful orders. Okay, now we are just trying to save it. And now let's go back to the website and see. Let's refresh it once more and see if it is done. And as you can see, there's another image already, but you can see there's a size difference. It doesn't fit properly. And because I'm just trying to show it, so you have to stick to the right size and it will fit properly that way.